In today's video, let's talk about how to use Perplexity AI for free. Welcome back to a new tutorial video, everyone. If you're trying to use the AI of Perplexity and you're trying to use it for free as well, you can just head over to its website, which is perplexity.ai, and you'll have an option of creating an account. There are free versions and paid versions inside of Perplexity. Once you create an account of Perplexity, you'll be able to use it for completely free. If you head over to the upgrade section, there are multiple plans that you can select from, whether it's the personal plan, education plan, or the business plan. But inside of the personal plan, if you're using it for personal use, you can use it for completely free. So make sure you create an account using your email address, your Google account, or your Apple account, and you'll be able to use most of its features. Some of the features such as research and labs are paid, so you won't be able to use them. Other than that, you can add in any prompts or any questions that you might have, and it can deliver answers based upon what you need. There are other sections to Perplexity which you can use for free as well. If you head over to the Discover section, you can find different topics that you can discover, and if you click on one of them, you can read through different news sources right inside of Perplexity. So that was a quick video on the way that you can use Perplexity AI for free. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.